Hi, I'm Mark Baker. I'm the Event and Content Marketing Manager here in the UK and Ireland for Sony's Photo Channel. Well, back in 2016, we brought to you the 24-70 F2.8 GM Lens, an incredibly fast and sharp lens, and still is part of our range. But now, 6 years on, we're bringing to you, and this is so light in my hand, I have to say, the brand new Mark II 24-70 GM F2.8. Let's have a look what this lens can do. One of the smallest and lightest GM F2.8 standard zoom lens, as you can see here next to the Mark I. It's not just an upgrade, it has excellent resolution and superb bokeh. It brings out the best in Sony technology and is ideal for stills and video. Having only used the lens very briefly, my initial thoughts are that the lens is really sharp, a lot sharper than the Mark I. It's approximately 22% lighter and weighs in at 695 grams. It's extremely fast, precise and quiet, and this is a result of having 4 XD linear motors. It has a number of aspherical, extreme aspherical and extra low dispersion glass, and this all helps to minimise chromatic aberration. As you can see here, the aperture is circular and made up of 11 blades. At f2.8, this lens gives superb bokeh with no onion ring effect. I also managed to test the macro element of this lens and can confirm it focuses closer at 0.21 meters with a magnification of 0.32 times. The Mark II has a focus ring, focus hold button ×2, iris lock, zoom ring, and has a real premium quality feel to it. This is a great example of how the AF on the new lens is so accurate. It locks onto my daughter's eye every time, even with movement and when zooming in. And it's even more responsive in video, using the new focus technology to lock onto my son's eye here without me having to worry about whether it's in focus or not. Using the A7 Mark IV with its fast animal eye autofocus, I'm zooming into the picture here to give us the sharpest point. The eye is clearly in focus. And even small people in their fast moving tractor are captured by the tracking improvements made by the 4 XD linear motors within the new lens. Here's some 4K footage from the A7 Mark IV with the new lens, showing how smooth the autofocus is. I'm really impressed with the quality here. And finally, in manual mode using focus mapping, the manual focus control is one of the best I've tested in any of the GM lenses. We've had great fun using the lens, and I highly recommend it for all types of photography, both stills and video.